Update on the grinder. Works flawlessly. Thing's amazing. Does just what you want it to do. No issues. I'm looking at moving soon enough, so it's got to go into storage. So a quick update on it. The only thing I learned: don't store belts directly underneath it because you will burn your belts through from the sparks. Otherwise, the thing it eats whatever you put in front of it. Got it running off native 220, so no inverter on it. Runs and just runs smoothly. Also record this for the future as well. The grinder stand, all of them are on pivot. And then they've all got pins, so you can just pull the pin, swap any one of them out. But if you only use it for a quick, leave it where it's at, spin it around, got all of them in a nice compact area. Alright.